Why is it important to have multiple sources of income? First and foremost, having multiple streams of income can provide you with greater financial security. If you rely solely on one source of income, you're vulnerable to economic downturns, company layoffs, and other unexpected events that can disrupt your financial stability. Secondly, creating multiple streams of income can give you greater flexibility and freedom. You can diversify your income streams to include things you're passionate about or that give you more control over your time and schedule. For example, you could start a side hustle, create an online course, or become a freelancer in your spare time. Finally, having multiple streams of income can increase your earning potential. By diversifying your income streams, you can potentially earn more money than you would by relying on a single job or source of income. This can help you reach your financial goals faster and achieve greater financial freedom. So there you have it. 3 reasons why creating multiple streams of income is so important. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to sign up to our weekly newsletter, link in the description.